Hello and welcome back. My name's Dave and this is Fuzzee Tutorials. So today we're going to be covering a request from one of our subscribers. A while back I did a video on how to move files from your Google Drive directly to YouTube. They want to see a tutorial on how to move files from your Google Drive onto your computer and then from your computer up to your YouTube channel. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's get started. Well, thanks for sticking with me. So let's get it rolling here. So we're gonna open up our browser. Now I've already got my Google Drive open here. So I'm making the assumption that you already know how to get to your Google Drive. If you don't, all you need to do is get into your Gmail, and then you can go into your Google Apps and choose your Google Drive. So I've got a file we're going to download here. Now all you need to do is right click on your file. If you're using a trackpad, that's usually going to be a 2-finger tap. And then you select download from the menu. And it may give you a warning about not being able to scan for viruses, but generally you don't need to worry about that, especially if they're your own video files. Usually you've got a little button up here you can click to check your progress, and it'll tell you when it's downloaded. So it's generally going to download into your downloads folder. Now you could just take it right from here and move it into your Google Drive. In my case, I will move it to another location. So you move it to wherever you're going to be working on it, and then when you're done working on it, you can go to your YouTube. I'm going to be uploading this to my demo channel. So all you do is you go up to your profile icon here, you click on it and choose YouTube Studio. And then we're going to click on this little icon here, upload videos, and then we just bring up your Finder or your File Explorer if you're on Windows, and we drag our file over, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So then you'll go and fill out your information, and it'll show you on a readout down at the bottom here how much is uploaded. So we'll just fast forward to when it's done. Now if you've got a thumbnail, you can drag and drop onto this little thumbnail area here, the same as we did the main video file. And you can scroll down the page, you can open up more options, and you can do all this while the file's uploading. You can do your tags, fill in this other information, and we're back. So it's done processing, and we'll go into video elements. Now you can skip past this, but you have to wait for it to finish processing before you can actually go in and add your end screens or add cards. So since we're here, and this tutorial would be really short otherwise, I'll just take you in and show you quickly how to do this. So we're just going to do a very simple one here. So we'll just pick one of their templates, and we'll just go over here and we'll we'll click on that, and if you want to choose a specific video, you can do that. And you can move these around just by dragging them. You can resize them. And you can also go in and you can decide how long you want this video to appear at the end. Now there are some limitations. So you can only get it down so short. And if you want to actually take, and you can move your subscription, for instance, your subscribe icon, you can move it over and you can actually have them displaying at separate times. And then you can test what it's going to look like. You just press on your little play button here. And then you can see when the one is going to go away and the other one come in. Just like so. And then we can make any adjustments that we want. Maybe a little overlap is what you want. And we can just run it back and test it again real quick. And once you have it the way you want it, you just go up here and click on Save. And then we can hit Next. And you can either make it, you can leave it private, and then only you can see it. And if you make it unlisted, it is viewable by anyone, but they have to have the link. It won't show up if they visit your channel. Or you can set it to public, in which case everybody will be able to see it. Or you can schedule it for when you want it to go public. Now there is the premiere option. Normally that's something where you're going to have it released at a specific time and you're going to also be there in a live stream answering chat questions and stuff. So that's not generally something you're going to be using until you get a little more advanced. And once you've chosen how you want it to be listed, then we can go ahead and just hit publish. And then you can copy your link there if you want it, or do any sharing. So we'll just close that. And then we can go down to videos. So if you want to go in and manage your videos, this is where you would do that. Now it's still processing the HD version. And then if you want to do a test view, you can go view on YouTube. And then we'll just fast forward here just so we can check our stuff at the end. So there's our subscribe button. And there's our other video pop up here that people can click on. And if you need to go back in and make any changes, you just click on your pencil icon here and that'll take you back into the details we were in before. And of course the layout is slightly different. And when you're done making any changes, you would just hit save and that's it. So that's it for this tutorial, folks. If you enjoy what we're doing, please hit that like button. If you want to see more tutorials in the future, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.